All right, so what I did to you, I gave a line which is A and then B. But it doesn't have to be one line. You might have another line that comes like that. You might have another line. It doesn't matter how they might even cross or maybe come like this. And then you find out all these lines. Sometimes they like you guys. Sometimes they put them in a Cartesian plane. They say, okay, here's a Cartesian plane. Maybe they do it like that and say, okay, there is the x-axis and the y-axis. So here we know it's 0 here. And then this is the x-axis. So it's A, B, C. Then you're having points. So everything I did, that means the pink line, you can find the distance of it. You can find the midpoint of it. You can find the gradient of it. You can find the equation of that pink line. The yellow, you can do the same thing. The blue, the same thing. You see now? Now, because you've got more than, you've got those pink, yellow, and blue, they form a figure. They form a shape like, let's say, a triangle. So what can come, because they can see it's a triangle, what can come, they can ask you for the area of a triangle, which is going to be, it can be half base times by the height. But Luna, another one that you need to know is the one that I'm writing now. It's half. It's half. You're going to take one of the side, I'll call it side 1, and then you multiply that by another side, I'm going to call it side 2. You multiply that by sine of an angle. Sine of an angle. Which angle? Between side, those two sides. Remember you did this more cosine rule, area rule, and whatever. Have you done those ones yet? Hello?
Yes.
Did you do cosine rule, sine rule, area rule?
No, not yet.
Okay, you're going to do them in trig. So that means in your case, unless the teacher is mad, he will ask you this if it's mad. If it's not, that one. But by this time,
Okay.
you should have, because you need this Utola Mona. For example, let's say you've only angle Mona. That angle, let's say 30 degrees. Can you say that angle? It's formed by the pink line and the blue. You need the distance of the pink and the blue. So remember, you just need the points. The points will be given here. You'll be having those points, X and Y. Go A, and then look at B, utlabonali point X and Y. Look at C. If idea, you'll have to work it out. Then let's say the distance here was 4 square root 26. And then the other one, the blue, let's say, maybe say it was 3 square root 26. So when you will say that the area is half, I'm going to take the two sides, which is 4, the two sides which makes that angle, square root of 26 times 3 root of 26, and then you must multiply them by sine, multiply that by sine.